Welcome to the 50th video in our series about Unix tools. In the last video, I introduced VI, and in this video we're going to learn more about it. The tool is made to edit files, so let's edit a file. We'll copy video49.txt into video50.txt. We know the cp command does a copy. And then we need to start VI. So we say VI and then the name of the file we want to edit, which is video50. And you can see we have the file at the bottom left. You can see it really is video50, but because we copied the 49, it says 49. So the first thing we need to do is change that 49 to a 50. How can we do that? Well, remember we had uppercase W, which would jump words. Now the cursor is in the right place. We want to remove 4 and 9. How do we do that? How do we delete the character under the cursor? You use the X key. You X it out. So XX. And we've removed that. Now I need to insert 50. So how do I insert? I press the A. No. Q. No. I. I for insert. So press I. And at the bottom of the screen, you'll see it says insert. And you type in your digits you want, which we want 5 and 0. And then after you've finished your input, you need to look at your keyboard. At the upper left-hand corner, there's a key that says ESC. It's called the escape key. Press that. In the bottom left, you notice it doesn't say insert anymore. And we can do the moving like we normally do again. Wonderful. So let's practice that one more time. XX. And then I, 50, escape. So we can delete individual letters and we can insert individual letters. After the insert, we have to switch back out of insert back to normal using the escape key. Wonderful. The next thing we need to do is delete things. We have a lot of material in this file that we don't need. Everything after this line right here, the third line, we don't need anything else. So what can we do to delete? There are many ways to delete. If you want to delete one line, you type in DD. But I think you can see that's going to take a long time. DD, DD, DD. That's no good. So how can we delete that whole paragraph? D and then the right curly brace, which is usually above your enter key. It has a square right brace. And then the right curly brace, you have to hold down the shift key and press it. And that will delete one paragraph. And then if we do it again, it deletes the next paragraph. We do it again, it deletes the next paragraph. And we've got 2 lines left. We could just go DD, DD. Or you could say the digit 2 and then DD. And that says, hey, do the DD command 2 times. Okay, now we just have 2 lines of the file and we're ready to add some material. Add is different than insert. Add will go on the next line and let you type until you press the escape key. How do we add? Shift A. Shift A. And then we press enter and we start typing what we want to type. So let's talk about moving from the last video. Moving one character left, moving one, maybe not character, let's say column, moving one column right. Okay, I want to jump to the beginning of the line. Remember, that's a 0. I want to go up 1. That's a K. And now I want to insert something. Insert was I, and that will insert before the character you see. And what was moving one column left? Think. Yes. H. And then we'll press escape to get out of that. Then we'll go J, 0, I. Moving one column right was L. And then we'll press the escape key. So we're starting to build up a cheat sheet of how to use this editor using this editor. How did we, maybe we'll just hit some space, moving one line down and moving one line up. How did we do that? Do you remember? Well, press that 0, press that K, and to go down, it was J, and we go J, right? And then, how did I do that? How did I do that? I did not insert. If I inserted, it would move. How did I just change the letter in place? Well, you use the R key for replace. So I say R, J. And I don't have to press escape because it's just one letter. Then I do J, and what do I want here? I want to put a K. Just the letter K. So I can do R and then K. I feel pretty good, but I want to I want to save the file right now, just in case I do something stupid and corrupt the data because I don't know VI very well. How can I save what I'm doing? Well, the simplest way to save is hold down the Shift key and press the letter Z 2 times, ZZ. Okay, and you say, I don't have any message. What happened? Let's take a look. You can see video 50 is the last one. It has 167 bytes. We can use some tools we already know, like cat. And we can see, yes, the data we had is saved. So let's edit that file again. How do we get to the bottom of the file? That's right, Shift G. And then how do we add some more text? Shift A, that's right. And then we can press enter and we can type some more. So let's say, what does big G do? We just used it. Yeah, move to the end of the file. Okay, move to the end of the last line. Okay, that's more accurate. It doesn't, let's take a look. If we press Shift G, it doesn't go. The end of the file is this letter E. It goes to the beginning of the last line. Okay, move to the B. How did I do that? Let's do it. How did I do it? Shift W, 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 I, B, E, G, I, N, N, I, N, G, space, and then the escape key. There we go. Move to the beginning, and I didn't get enough. So type in L, I, of, the, and then escape. Move to the beginning of the last line of the file. I feel good about that. Okay, how did we move to the beginning of the file? Or really, the first line of the file. And really, the beginning of the first line of the file. How did we do that? Shift A, we did 1G. Move to the beginning of the first line of the file, and then the escape key to stop the insert mode. Mode. What is this mode thing you're talking about? We have to take a moment to think about it, and I will explain it completely in the next video, but we're out of time on this video. We added 2 more lines. How do we save our work? Think hard. That's right. Hold down the Shift key and press Z twice. In other words, 2 uppercase Z's. Shift, hold it down, ZZ. Okay, we're done with this video. We didn't do a lot, but we started building our cheat sheet about VI using VI. Please come back for the next video and we'll do some more. Thank you for listening.